I'm back, and I am back with something different this week. I'm gonna do my lip combo tutorial. I've been getting so many messages about how do I make my lips look full. Well, I got a trick for that too. If you are new here and you don't know me, my name is Kechia Taylor, and I've been a licensed esthetician, brow artist for over 20 years. I own a brow salon, a skincare line, a brow product line. But enough about me. This channel is all about you or us, and it's all about us reinventing 50, right? So as you get older or as you age, your lips tend to get a little bit thinner. We're all not blessed with full lips. And I'm all about pro aging. I want to save you the time that you would if you would go get a lip injection. Now, I haven't gotten any lip injections yet. I want to get any lip injections. It's weird. I'm African American and my lips bruise easily. I do permanent makeup. And when we're doing permanent lip blushing, you could traumatize the skin quickly. When you're African American, you could bruise or get more hyperpigmentation in your lips. So, with that being said, I am going to show you that I have nothing on my lips but some clear gloss. Okay. So, these are my natural lips. And, when I smile, my lips flip up. So, they automatically look a little bit bigger. When I smile with my mouth closed, that's how they look. Now, I naturally have a thicker or a more fuller plump bottom lip. And my top lip is a little bit thinner, but I have a defined line at the top of my lip. And that helps me line my lips for one. But I'm going to show you the tip and trick that I use because if you want to keep your lips looking natural and you don't want any lip injections or any permanent makeup to your lips, this is definitely the way to go. Again, nothing on the lips. These are my natural lips. Like I said, when I smile, they flip up. Okay. Now, the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to exfoliate my lips. So I'm going to clean my lips off because, before you put anything on, you should clean off your lips. And so when I clean off my lips, I'm using green soap because that's all I have in here. I don't want to put alcohol to my lips because I don't want to dry my lips out. We use green soap when we're doing our permanent makeup to remove the pigment. So, and it's not abrasive and harsh like alcohol. So I don't want to dry on my lip. I'm using green soap to clean them all. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to exfoliate my lips. Now I'm using the Browsing Company pumpkin exfoliants, and I'm going to dip a Q-tip here, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my lips. Okay. On the top, just like a lip gloss, just blend it out. You probably already seen me use this because I use this on my face. I use it on my chin, everything. It smells so good. Then I'm going to put a little bit on my finger and start rubbing it through. I'm using my middle finger. It's just easier. Getting the corners on my lips because those tend to be a little bit dry sometimes, especially in cold weather. And if you are really having some dead skin and some dry lips, then just take a mascara wand or a toothbrush, okay? And just brush it to get the dead skin off, okay? Leave that on for a few minutes or massage your lips. You can massage your lips for a few minutes. And then after you leave it on for a few minutes, remove it with cold water, okay? Not hot water, cold water and a cotton round. That's gonna keep all the moisture in your lips. And I'm just kinda munching on it just to make sure all the exfoliant is off. And I'm just taking a small piece of a dry paper towel and just getting off the grains of the exfoliant. All right, my lips are dry. Well, they're nice and smooth, okay? But they're nice and dry. The surface is dry, and I'm ready to do my lip combo with you guys so that you can get these plump, full lips without injectables and without permanent lip blushing. I am ready to apply my lip liner. I will put all the products down in the comments. This is Color Scorpio by Juvia's Place. So you can get this from Ulta. You can get it online from Juvia's Place. I will check and see if you can get it from Amazon. But this is my everyday go-to. I don't wear really no other color unless I'm going out and I want more of a dramatic look. I am get ready to line the bottom line. And so I stay right on this curve. I don't want my bottom lip to look any fuller than what it actually is. So I start off really thin and I'm just going back and forth so I can get a nice crisp line. Okay. And if you want to thicken it up, you can at this point. Okay. So that's my line. When I line the top lip line, I am looking for my Cupid's bow. My Cupid's bow is defined. It's this lighter piece right here. So I'm just gonna just mark it. Now, when I line, I want to line right on the vermilion line. So the vermilion line is between your skin and your lips, and that's what's going to give your lips that really full, beautiful lip. Okay. So I'm going to stretch my lips. You guys know I stretch, I stretch. Okay. So I do my line a little bit thick. I'm going to come up a little bit to get it even. Now, some of you may want to keep it thinner. I do a thick line, and I'll tell you why. Is because when I do the lip combo, like my daughter, she's 20 years old. She loves a good lip combo, but she does a dark brown liner and a light brown or a nude color. I do like that, but I don't like it all the time. My everyday look, I'm a monochromatic girl, so I like my lip liner and my lip gloss to be the same color, especially for my everyday look. So I'm gonna go in with a gloss, and I'm using Juvia's Place lip gloss in Mirror. Now, I gotta have me some Miro. I have some at work, I have some at home, and I have some in my car because I cannot be forgetting this. Do without the lip liner, but I can't do without this gloss. This is my everyday look. A lot does come out. This gloss, first, it smells really, really good. And then it's thick, right? And it doesn't pick at your skin. It's nicely moisturized and it doesn't make the skin on your lips dry. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tap it through my lips. Now I'm gonna smooth it out. I'm staying inside of the lip liner. Now I'm gonna do the top, and I always look up and I just brush it up so that it won't get on my lip liner and it'll stay underneath. Filling in the corners, dabbing again. Now I'm gonna blend it by puckering and smoothing out. And if it's not smooth enough, you can take a Q-tip and just blend or buff out the liner into the gloss. Again, I'm brushing up, put a little bit more gloss up there. Oh, that's a lot. All right. It's so shiny. I mean, y'all, this lip gloss is it. It is it. I love this lip gloss. Juvia's Place in Moreau, and the liner is Scorpio, and I'll have those links in the comments. And there you go. Here's my lip combo. This is my everyday lip combo. And it stay on for a long time. Like I can go hours, and this does not get on my teeth, okay? Which I love because it's so thick. It stay right there on my lips, and it keeps my lips, like, hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. This is my everyday go-to. I love it. If you want your lips to look fuller, make sure you line right on that vermilion line. You can lift it just a little bit if your line is not prominent. Find the middle point, find that Cupid's bow, because that's really gonna be the center line for you. Or make a cupid's bow if yours is not prominent. Again, when I smile and my lips go up, try the monochromatic lip combo. I love it. It's gonna give you nice, full, glossy lips. Make sure that you get a lip combo that works for your complexion, but try it monochromatically. So maybe getting a red lip liner and a red gloss. Now, Miro is slightly lighter than the lip liner. I just take that Q-tip and I blend it in because I don't want a harsh line. I don't want nothing harsh on my face. That does keep you aged and it keeps years on your look. So try not to go for a harsh look, okay? Try to go for a nice subtle look, a nice sultry look, a nice sexy look. And this is a good date night lipstick too. Like I said, it stay on for a while and you don't have to worry about it. I hope that this was a good tip or a trick. I hope that this was a good color. I hope that this was a good lip combo color that will help you or at least guide you in the right direction. I'm excited to have you here. Make sure that you give me a like, follow, subscribe. I would love to keep bringing you more tips like this, more beauty routines. I got a lot for you, got a lot in my bag. This is just the beginning, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.